Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you, and enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and put back on a inside door handle on this 2004 Chevy Trailblazer. Tools you'll need are a 10mm socket with a ratchet and extension, and a medium and small flat blade screwdrivers. Start with a regular screwdriver, put it up under, quick little pry, okay, same thing here. Okay, pry that up. You can see it just has kind of two clips, front and back. Okay, and then you want to turn it over here, and you want to unplug all these harnesses. They basically just have little thumb tabs. Pull them up. Okay, skip that one. This one pulls out fairly easy. Use your screwdriver. Just pry that up a little bit, and work that off. And then over here, screwdriver on this tab, pry it up a little bit, work it right out. This comes out. Okay, now around your door handle here, you're going to see some little tabs or little slots. You can insert a small screwdriver, push down with your screwdriver, and then pull out with your hand, work your hand underneath. Another tab right back here. Push down, pull out, and then there's a couple up top. Okay, those ones you push up. Okay, one more right here. Okay, this whole thing comes out, and if you have the memory seat and everything, you can now just pull this whole harness right up and out. Now there are two 10mm bolts. One there, and then one way down in there. 10mm socket with an extension and ratchet. This one's really easy to get to. Okay, pull it up and out. This one. I'm going to start it. As much as I can. Okay, I just felt it fall, which is okay. Okay, once you have those out, then you can start up here with your hand. Just work it underneath this triangle, pull out, and then just kind of work your hand under the door panel, and it'll get harder and harder to slide under. And you just pull. Okay, keep working your hand under. Pull. Work your hand under. Pull. Actually, here's my bolt from that armrest. Okay, work our hand under, pull out, okay, and your door panel comes off. So your inside door handle, there's a 10mm bolt right here. That. Now they have a forward and it comes out. Now in behind here there's little clips. You pull the clip off the rod, then push the rod up. Another one down here. Pull the clip off, push the rod up. Reinstallation, just a reverse. Push the rod over. Clip on. Pull the rod over. Push it down. Flip it on, okay, push the handle in, slide it back, 10mm bolt. And now I'm going to fast forward here through putting the door panel back on. just in the interest of keeping the video a little bit on the short side. Once you get it off, it's pretty easy to get back on. If you do want to see this in real speed or regular speed, just check out our other videos for the Trailblazer front door panel remove and replace. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.